Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip.
This is what my hair is looking like. So I think I should curl it because like now it's kind of curled because I put in a ponytail last night. So I'm just gonna brush it out first. Okay guys, here this process, I'm just curling my hair just to get the more wavy look that Beyonce had. If you wanted to get a more of a wavy look instead of a curly look, I would suggest leaving the wand curl on for less time. I left it on for about 10 seconds. And yeah, but I would suggest if you want that beach wave look, leave it on for less time. But over time, it actually just went to the wavy look because I didn't like apply any hairspray or anything, so the curls just dropped. But for the video, it looks pretty curly, so yeah, if you want to do that. And when you're curling in the front of your hair, you want to curl away from your face, but everywhere else I just did random away and like forward just to get a little bit of body into the hair. So the more you curl in different directions, the more body will be into the hair, so that's the trick. This is a royal wand curl. I'll link it down below to where I didn't get it from it. I actually got this for free one time, so yeah, but I'll link it if you guys like this curling. It gets really hot, but it's only like one setting. It doesn't tell me how hot it gets or anything, but it gets pretty hot and it works pretty well, so I like it. Yeah, but this is basically what I did for the hair. You can also check out the links to me dyeing this hair myself. I'm actually pretty proud of how it came out, so yeah. And I don't know, any other questions you have, you can just leave them down below and I'll be sure to get to them. Hope you guys like it. Fast forward, I was just talking to my roommate's friend who was over at the time, so yeah, sorry for this part being not so much of a talking part, but yeah, hope you guys like it and leave any questions down below. And don't forget to turn on the post notifications and stuff. All that stuff. Social media will be down below too. Everything is in the description box, okay? Alright. Use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and this one's in Amande, and I like cleaned up my brows. I'm gonna do them over again because yeah, I don't really like them, but I'm just gonna keep going. And then I'm gonna use the same concealer and like put this all over my eyes. Alright, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and we're just gonna go with a lot of colors in here. So first I'm gonna start off with this color, put this in my crease. Okay, so I told you guys to ask me questions on Instagram, and someone asked me like, was it difficult for me moving from DC to like LA to California? And I would say like it was kind of difficult in the beginning. Like I was just trying to adjust to everything, like especially to college, because I just did like, I just felt like so alone, like just by myself and like doing everything by myself. So that was like really difficult for me, and like the transition. It's actually quite similar though to like DC in a sense. So like it wasn't that bad in that regard. But as far as like coming to college, it was different because it was like a PWI, and I'm used to being with like a lot of a predominantly Black community, and it just was not the same. So yeah, but I don't really get homesick like that. The only time like I get homesick is like food or in like the train. Like I like being able to take the train and stuff. And like yeah, sometimes I miss my family, but that's pretty much it. But I don't really get homesick. I'm pretty good at that because I went to boarding school in middle school. And I'm gonna take this color right now. I went to boarding school in middle school, so it was actually like easier for me. Like the going away from home was like pretty easy because they prepared us. It was a college preparatory school, so yeah, they prepared us for all of this. And it's actually easier because there like they controlled everything that you did like every day, and here like I'm independent, so I can like do whatever. Like no one has to tell me what to do, and I feel like that's cool. Like I know usually like what I need to do, and I pretty much do what I need to do when I need to do it, so that's why I think it's a little easier. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna put this like on my lid where hers is. Okay, I feel like this wasn't the color I was looking for, so I'm going in with Just Peachy to then like put in some more peach tones in it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Summer Yum shade again and go in on the outer corner. Okay, so I went in with this shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette and put that on top of my lid now because I just felt like it wasn't good. I'm gonna go in with like the light brown, which is this brown. I'm just gonna darken up the outer corner a little bit. Now I'm gonna go with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and apply this to my face. Then my Versailles Skin Tone Blur, and we're gonna apply this also. And then also like a lot of people ask about confidence and like how do you stay confident and like, you know, be confident in what you do. And honestly, it's just really in your head. Like if you just tell yourself that you look good doing whatever you do, then 9 times out of 10 you're gonna start believing it. It's gonna start being true, and it's not gonna matter like what anybody else thinks. So that's really what it is. Like honestly, why should I care what anyone else thinks in the world? Because like at the end of the day, I came in the world by myself, not with anyone else. So why should their opinion really matter? I don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna go on my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this one's in 470. It's a little darker than me, but I'm just gonna pat this in. She has like a light coat of everything. Like it's just a soft glam look, so that's what I would say. If you're like struggling with people like talking about you, or like you being confident in doing something new like that you've been wanting to do, I would just say go for it. Like, you know, because the more time you're just waiting, thinking about it, then like you could have been learning from it. You could have been growing already. So just go ahead and do it. Okay, taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this one in Chestnut, and I'm gonna apply this to all my highlighter areas. It looks like I have hair on my lip. And like staying motivated. This looks so crazy. Oh my god. Staying motivated and stuff is quite hard. Like even I struggle with that sometimes because I just look and I'm like, wow, like I don't know why we do that, but like I look and be like, wow, like why are you like so bad? Like like why is it not working, or I'm just not where I'm at, in my head. Then I just get like kind of upset. But you know, life is honestly, we can plan so much, but like you can't plan out your life for real, because it's gonna throw you curveballs and like other things that you didn't expect. So you can't be doing that. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty powder, and this one is in honey. Lightly just like pack this into the skin. My school's homecoming's coming up, and like our school homecoming is honestly not that big of a deal, because I don't know, we just have like a game, and like, but I love it because like that's when like the Black community comes out, and it's like so fun. Like this season is like a better season. Like when basketball season starts and everything, I just feel like that's way better in my school. I like going to the basketball games. I think because my sister played basketball in college, and like me and my sister would go to her games sometimes. We're like, yeah, like woo. So like now I like going to basketball games. I think should I keep my hair straight or literally curl it like she has it in the thing? But I did so long yesterday. I'm trying to make it straight because it's already naturally like a loose wave. I was like, I'm also like planning on starting my brand so soon, and like I just want to know like what you guys would think, what type of brand it would be, like from me. Like what do you think exactly like I would come out with? Like as far as like will it be hair, makeup, like clothes, you know, what do you think? Because I just want to see like what specifically, what do you look for me like for? Like what do you go to me to look for? I'm about to use my Stila basically like contour thing. Just like lightly contour. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder, and this one's in the medium one, and I'm gonna go right here. I always feel like my powder gets lost right here. And then right underneath my contour. And I'm gonna wipe the powder. I've been like reading more too, so if you have any books that you suggest that I should read, let me know. I've been reading like You Are a Badass at Making Money. Okay, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty and Mocha Mommy. But yeah, I feel like that book is like really good, like at setting your mindset, like getting your mindset right to, you know, make as much money as you want, and like basically just honestly do what you want. And it really debunks like a lot of those myths that we have about like money and like how it's like evil and like, you know. And she's like, no, that's not true. Like just because you have more money doesn't make you an evil person. I really suggest that book. It's really good and motivational too, like for anyone who needs motivation or just wants to like understand like the wealthy mindset. I would read that book. Okay, underneath her eyes, she has like a gold. So I'm gonna put this Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustler Baby. I'm gonna go right. This shimmery shade's a little patchy. Okay, on the lower lash line, it's kind of peachy, so I'm just gonna take the same Summer Yum shade and go right underneath my lash line. Then I'm gonna take that other brown shade that I used to deepen it my outer V and then go right on the outside. Okay, now I'm gonna go on with the mascara, and this is the Lash Sensational mascara. She has like, I don't know if she has any false lashes, it doesn't look like it, but I'm gonna apply some. Okay, now we're gonna attempt to fix the brows. And I'm just gonna brush them up. Okay, I wanna take my Glossier Boy Brow, and this one's in dark, I think. The darkest one that they have, which is black. And then I'm gonna just run my brows because hers like seem fluffy. Now I'm gonna go in with this highlighter, and this is an Awesome Blossom. And then I'm just gonna lightly highlight my face. Sorry like about the lace, we're gonna fix that soon. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face with the Mara Budesky spray. Now I'm gonna take this LA Girl eyeliner in brown, and I'm gonna outline my lips with this. But now I'm gonna take this Pop Fruity lip gloss. This is from the Shop Marseille brand, and it was only $1. So yeah, taking this. I'm gonna put my lashes on, and these are from one of my friend's brand. Her name's Carter, and then she has like this. And I'm gonna use these ones right here. So like this wispy at the end, pretty natural actually too. So I'm just gonna apply these ones. Okay guys, that's it for this video. So hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's not the same as like the Beyonce look, but like I try my best or whatever. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.